It's a whole lot of money in this motherfucker.
So hey y'all, welcome back. I just wanted to let y'all know that I did update my bald cap method, and now I usually just pull it like literally like far, like as far as it can go over my face. And in my first YouTube video, y'all can see the difference between how nice this method looks compared to the method I was using before. And this is the Ebon lace tint in the color medium dark brown. I decided to try that over using foundation this time, and it actually came out really well. Y'all were wondering, this is just alcohol that I'm using to clean off all the excess tint that I had got on my forehead. Okay, so I'm just gonna give y'all the specs on this hair. It came with 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back. It's 150% density, and the lace color is a medium brown, but I don't like it because I feel like it was a little bit too dark. The hair is deep wave, and please do not mind the red. I tried to do like a deep burgundy red, and it ended up staining my lace, so I just decided to just not do that. But the only thing I don't really like about this wig would be after a few days of wearing it does get a little dry, so I would say you would have to keep up with the maintenance on that. And of course, as y'all can see, it is a 4x4 wig. The glue that I'm using is the JaJa Lace Waterproof Glue. I usually do 3 layers, and I let each layer dry before I put the next one on there. And of course, you guys, I do use the elastic band. I usually put that around for about 5 minutes and blow dry it. And before anybody says anything, I did end up messing up on this wig. I accidentally overplucked. Over there in the corner, I'm pretty sure y'all can see the spot. I did overpluck. Everybody does make mistakes, and that's all a part of growing, is, you know, making mistakes and learning from them. And I do still make mistakes, so I did, but I ended up fixing it. And it was coverable, so it's all good. After plucking my part, I wasn't really satisfied with it, so I did go back in with some black hair dye, and I kind of filled that back in a little bit. And plus, my roots were a little blonde anyway from bleaching my knots. So this is just one trick that you can use to get them to be back black. I know y'all see that spot. This is what I was talking about. And please, and I know my comb is messed up, y'all. I know it is. Just don't even mind. Another tip that I do want to give y'all is I do now hot comb the hair that I want to be my edges. I just feel like it lays better. The hair is just going down. It's just good. Like it works. And if y'all watched my very first video, y'all all know that I use got2b glue to really lay down my edges after I set them with the foam, because the foam, it just doesn't work for me. It does not, my edges do not stay, and they stay literally all day with got2b glue. So I am taking my pressed powder and just putting a little bit, you know, on the hairline and on my part. I feel like I didn't really need to do it, but I just did anyway. I'm taking my mousse and I am taking my Cantu leave-in conditioner, I believe it is, and just a little bit of water, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the hair, and this is what it will look like when it's wet. And of course, by my thumbnail, that's what it looks like when it's dry. It's really beautiful when it's dry, and I prefer it to look, you know, how the dry look to it, just because I feel like it looks more natural, but it still does look really pretty wet like this. This is the finished product, the finished look, y'all. It's so cute. Thank you for watching my video, and I will see y'all next time.